To navigate the curriculum resources available to you as a Changing Perspectives educator, go to the curriculum dashboard. You can access the curriculum dashboard by clicking Curriculum on the homepage or the left-hand navigation. Once here, you will see a list of the curriculums you can access. If there are additional curriculums you would like access to, watch the video on how to customize your account. Select an area you'd like to explore. Once you click a curriculum resource area, such as a disability category, you will see a list of lesson plans, followed by a list of books and pre-made discussion questions, and videos with discussion questions. You can also search our entire curriculum library through the search function. Anything green will open up as a resource. For example, if you click a lesson, it will open as a PDF document. If you click on a book title, you will see a list of discussion questions by clicking on the book's title. Please be aware that Changing Perspectives does not supply books to the school. It is the school's responsibility to provide the books and ensure access to them. Clicking on a video title will open the video on a third-party site. Click the discussion button on the far right under the description column. This will allow you to access our pre-made video discussion questions, along with the video title being a hyperlink to the video itself. Please note that any ads that pop up result from your search history, and if your school has any third-party sites blocked, you should talk to your IT department before using this with your students to ensure you can access the videos.